Hi, hello, welcome to vstocksense YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see two stocks in our list. First stock is Okpama, and this stock our entry will be 1610.50, and our target will be 1835.35. So you can keep the latest swing low as a stop loss. In our next stock is BF Utilities Limited. In this stock, you can entry about 1114.30, and our target will be this is the pattern break format, so you can keep the first target as the pattern, and once it's broke, then you can look for further targets. Thank you so much.